guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today I am coming at you guys from Lowe's. If you follow me, you know I love plants, and I just wanted to show you guys all the beautiful plants Lowe's have. Y'all do not sleep on Lowe's. Their pricing is really good. Look at this. Like when I say this is super cute, I'm not looking for any hanging plants though, y'all. Look how gorgeous this is. Like when I say these right here, these mother-in-law tongues are so easy to care for. So if you one of them ones that don't do plants really well, try one of those. And when I say you guys, these plants are on sale. They are gorgeous. I'm actually looking for some plants for my outside area because I have 2 plants that I need to replace. They also have them on sale. Look how gorgeous these are. Like super gorgeous. Like I said, I'm not looking for the type of plants, house plants right now, guys, because I got too many house plants. My husband was like, don't you think you got enough? And it's so funny because my mom used to be really into house plants. She still is, and now I find myself doing the same. Look how gorgeous these plants are. Like when I say they are kept up really good. So if you are looking for any plants, most definitely try Lowe's. I also like Home Depot for certain things, but when I say I love Lowe's plants, they just are gorgeous. And Kroger's. Them 2 places have some really gorgeous plants. Look at this. This is so pretty. I've never seen nothing like this right here. Inside of this would be something cute I could have in my salon, like maybe on the floor or something. This is really cute, y'all. Like I told you, I don't need any house plants, but they gonna make me get one because these are gorgeous. This one is pretty. And guys, I don't know the name of them. I'm not finna look at the name. I just wanted to just show you guys how gorgeous all these plants is. I just want y'all to come into a Lowe's and check for yourself and see all the cute ones they have. Oh, this is cute. This is super cute too. That's really cute. And another thing, guys, that they do have too, they have like nice patio things. I got some patio stuff from them also. What I'm gonna do now though, guys, I'm gonna actually go outside and I'm about to go get some, like I said, I gotta get something from my garden. I need to also find some stuff to get rid of grass. Like when I say I keep having so much grass growing, it's not weeds. Like I got weed stuff, but I need some grass stuff. So I'm gonna look for that. Follow me, y'all. So they have a lot of different weed and grass killer. Like I said, y'all, I don't need weed. I already have some weed killer. I need some grass killer because it's always in there. But you got to be careful though, y'all, using grass killer because it can actually kill the other grass. So when you're using stuff like this, just be careful. I'm gonna have somebody come over here and help me with this because I had some last year, but I don't remember which one I had and I don't want to get the wrong thing. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I got this last time and just spraying it, it didn't work. And make sure it's the right type of grass too. You got to look on there. I think I might try it. Let's try it. See if it works. So we finna try this, y'all. Guys, this is something that I'm going to get. I've been looking at it for a while. I want to get this for the fall and have some fire in it. And I love these chairs too. So I might have to get this and the chairs I like. So I was just happened to be looking, and I don't know what these are. If anyone ever used this before, a bonfire, it looked like to me you can like put them outside and you can use them as like a fire pit kind of. I think this is pretty neat. It's like a log that you can again use as a fire pit. Let me know if any of y'all use this. This look pretty neat, especially like if you're on a camping trip or something.